think it is important that the process is not politicized. We saw quite a bit of dissenting voices from the United States capitalizing on the fluidity of the situation to target, to profile, to malign, and to resort to name calling other than relying on science and rational basis into either finding the cause of the virus or mounting an international response.
This whole process is being poisoned by politics. And if you expect scientists to do their work, if you expect scientists to collaborate and actually get the answers that you want, actually seek in a non-blame environment to find the origin of the virus so we may all learn how to prevent this happening in future, we would ask that this be done in a depoliticized environment where science and health is the objective of this and not blame and politics.